Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn more shells on Dress to Impress. First thing you need to do are the daily tasks here. Beat the dance floor, you get an extra 30, and complete all daily tasks, you'll get a 35. And then you are going to also do the seasonal quest here, play 10 style showdown rounds, and beat the summer quest. You're also going to play mermaid rounds, where if you get voted a lot of stars, I guess you'll get more shells. It does happen every 3 hour, so make sure you do it. I don't think, well, you don't have to do it per 3 hour. I don't think I did that anyways, but it is very helpful to do it. And those are my tips to earn like extra shells. Obviously, you'll need to be consistent in playing this game, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.